Mahaba. Nakita ko gumawa siya. My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Think of the first letter. Umpisa natin sa first letter. Okay, good. Nakita yung mouth niya. Parang gusto mo sabihin letter T.
Oh my God.
Okay. Isipin mo na kung yung word mo nasa harapan mo. Letter one by one nasa harapan mo. Mahaba. Think of the last letter. Nakita ko gumawa siya. May kinalaman to. Parang may kinalaman to sa pagkain. Parang hindi siya pagkain eh. Okay. Feeling ko ito yung word niya. Okay. Alright, open your eyes. For the first time, loud and clear. Malakas para marinig talaga sa likod.
Okay.
What is your word?
Tahanan.
Thank you very much!